This bird flew in our kitchen. It's a tui bird. Now I gotta catch it. It looks like a robin, but they're not a robin. Come here, you. Where'd you go? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on, I'm not gonna hurt you. I like birds. Come on. Come here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come here. I don't want to scare it. I want to try to catch it. It thinks it's in a jungle here. Come on. Palm trees. Tui bird. They're cute birds. Always comes to eat the cat food. The door was open and it came right in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. It's a beautiful little bird. Come on. I think they're called tui birds. Come on. I need help, Wendy. Like I say, there's so many plants in here, it thinks it's outside. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here. I'm going to get you. There's an ant. Come here, birdie. I got you. 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 It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. There you go. Bye-bye, birdie.